Good morning, everyone. I am Bob Wright, bobscrosses.com, bobscrosses AOL. There was a post on Facebook that asked about whitewashing, and I'm going to show you how I do my whitewashing. I've got a board here, nothing spectacular. I've sanded it so it's nice and smooth. Then I just take the white paint. This is the apple barrel you can get at Walmart, but you can use the stuff from the dollar store too. It works just as well. And all I do is I put a nice little dollop of white paint in there. All right. All right. Then I just take some water and I mix it approximately 50-50. Then I wasn't prepared, sorry. Then you just stir it up. Like this, so it's nice and runny. Then you have your paper towel to clean off the end of your brush. Then you just take it and put it on. I'm not even trying to be careful. See how it's running and everything? See, I'll stop halfway here. Now you can let that sit for a few minutes. It doesn't have to be long. It depends on if you want it to be darker white or more prominent white. Then you just take your thing and wipe it off. I didn't leave it in there long enough, but you can see, like right here, it got into the grain. So let's do this again. Okay, whitewashing has been around for centuries, and it used to be a staple in the family life. All your kitchen stuff would be whitewashed because people couldn't afford the actual paint, uh, to do the whole job. So they would just get a little bit of paint and whitewash it. Now you can put this on with a paintbrush like I did. I sometimes use a sponge and rub it in a little bit. You see, like this is the white paint that you can just wash off with your hands. Let's rub it in a little bit. All right, now we'll take it off. There. Can you see the whitewash compared to the other? This is the this is the whitewashed. Like I said, the longer you leave it on there, the more prominent it'll be. And rubbing it in kind of helps. But that's how I do a whitewash. And my next video is on how I make stain. I've got 5 different colors of stain that I made. And I'll post that right after this one. But I just thought the guy would want to know how, if you used an oil-based paint with the water, it doesn't really mix all that well. So a water-based paint is best for whitewashing. But then after you get done with it, you can coat it with polyurethane or sealer or whatever. But if I would have taken sanding sealer and put on there first and then sanded it, it would have stuck a little bit better. So there's little tips and tricks to doing a whitewash. But I mean, you all are sitting there going saying, well, that's not white. But I mean, it sort of is, compared to the other side. So anyway, that's my little 5-minute tutorial on how to do a whitewash. I'm once again Bob Wright, 42 at Facebook, bobscrosses.com, and bobscrosses at AOL.com. I'll see you on the next time.